What's up, Minitruck?
Minitruck rescue. Alright, load all your stuff in.
I don't know what happened. I drove it all day yesterday, no issues, then all of a sudden we're going up. I'm just hoping AAA uses flatbeds, right?
Oh yeah, everybody uses them now. Yeah, I don't think they use a hook vehicle much anymore. Because most of them have most of the cars have.
All the cars are all-wheel drive.
Right.
They'll get it from the back?
They can.
Yeah, they can do it from either way.
Yeah.
Alright, last chance. Sure you don't want to load your stuff in here? Now see, when this gets warm sometimes, the carburetor,
it floods out. I want to start.
Yeah. Not this time.
Nice.
Now you can hear this thing hum down the road. And when I was going fast, I heard like something was rubbing. So I don't know whether the wheel's expanding. Like,
oh, and then
I think the centrifugal force, and it was just about touching the corner of the thing. I was doing about 54, 55.
I was like, I think I hear something coming, and I was thinking you'd be in the Jeep, and I'm like, oh wait, yeah, no, I hear something.
I was editing the video that we did yesterday, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take that. That'd be funny, because it's all back way, except this little...
Yep.
Hear it? I think it's the knobbies, just a couple knobbies touching. This is 45 right here.
Yeah. This thing rides better than I thought it would.
Really?
Yeah, definitely.
Now as long as the town cop ain't parked in the corner up there, we're right.
Yeah. That's a rattle.
Think?
Yeah. It's a rattle.
I don't think so. See, I think it's hitting, now the both of us are in here, it's got more weight. I think it's hitting the door. We'll see when we get there. Your side's hitting too a little.
Yeah, maybe a little, yeah.
It didn't do that with more air pressure.
Nah, dude, I think for what it is, it's absolutely fine. Did you stall?
No.
Waiting for Jeeps.
Stop staring at my Mini! Dude, definitely got looks.
Everybody's like,
I wish I had my air pump.
that'll be the next thing to put down there.
Right.
Hey,
Hey, buddy.
how are we doing?
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
You hit anything on the inside, right?
There's a lot of room in there. I think it's that. I think what it is that it's low air pressure, so its tires
Like, I don't
centrifugally
swear,
getting
it's
bigger
like
when
a
you go
line or
fast.
anything.
Got to be this piece. See the shape of that compared to the shape of the door? Look.
Yeah?
Yeah, it is.
So that's what it is.
Yeah. So I could technically
Or if I can grind a little of that off.
either grind it off or bend it in. It would shape right to that.
I think you just grind a little fucking cunt hair of that off.
Bending it, I won't. If it don't break the paint, it'll be still good. You know. That's definitely what it is, though.
I wonder if you air it up, if it'll stop.
Probably because the tire won't. It'll push out sideways, and the tire won't get the centrifugal that way. Sure you don't need a tow? So you got to call AAA for AAA.
Belt came out. Belt broke.
Oh, shit.
And I think one of the hoses for the clamp for the coolant came undone.
My buddy's car just broke down and he called
yeah?
AAA, and that's why I was like, maybe he's looking for directions. Damn.
There's always something.
Always something.
Yeah, he's having a bad day.
I know. Oh yeah, you gotta get your tracker.
Yeah, might as well.
Good mini truck. Adjust my lower door corner so it doesn't hit my tire anymore. And put some air in the tires. Grab it with some panel pliers. There. That didn't even break the paint.
Show me muscle again. Oh, Hercules, 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 Hercules.
Perfect. Perfect. Now it actually matches the inner panel. Yeah, mini truck. Put some more air in you. Oh God. I had less than I thought in there. A lot less. 17 pounds, definitely not enough. I did order the lug nuts for those. Thin lug nuts. If they fit, I'll do a video when I put those tires on these rims. Oh yeah, that bearing. She's done. There. There it is. Get that chain off. Feel it. I'll probably get both sides. Yeah, that one's.
No, screwed.
Put a little grease in it.
Oh, see if it fucking holds it.
No, I'm kidding. Put some seafoam in that sumbitch. There. Are they the same size? Are they the same?
No.
It won't be hard to mix up anyway. I'm afraid this bearing's going to break trying to get it out. Oh, there it is. No, it broke. The number should be on that seal. There it is. 6302 RS. So the first place we called was $20 a piece. The second place was $50 a piece. And then we ordered it on Prime for $10 for two. Well, they'll be here tomorrow. Hope they ain't junk. What's up, mini truck? Time for a bath. Now come on, mini truck, you gotta have a bath. You're full of salt. I just took you out on the road. Come on. It's not that bad. So big now. So big, mini truck. Is nice out, Mama? Swabbing the deck, matey. All clean. Doesn't that feel better? Yeah, look what came in. The proper tool, thanks to my viewers. That's how you do the CV boots the proper way. I never realized it was a special tool for that. That we go into use on that other axle.